You don't break the fragile heart. You restore what hope has lost. There is light still living here, in the middle of my fear. God with us, Emmanuel. He knows my name, He knows me well. When my strength is almost gone, Your promise keeps